Let's start with a crazy question. Did you know traditional note-taking is literally dead? I mean, what if I told you the notes you take today could direct a movie tomorrow, or scour the entire internet while you're asleep, and then build your whole corporate presentation in seconds? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. We are skipping the small talk and diving straight into this high-stakes explainer on Google's massive 2026 NotebookLM update. Because this isn't just a basic app patch, right? This is a total evolution of how we do our jobs.
I really want you to think about this for a second. What if your notes actually could direct movies? We've got to ask these mind-bending questions about the future of your job, because staring at a blank screen, typing out some boring summary, yeah, those days are over. Google basically took its simple AI note app and pumped it full of Gemini upgrades that, honestly, feels straight out of science fiction.
So, let's get into Section 1, your AI Content Studio. Here's the massive roadblock we all hit in knowledge work. AI is great at making raw content, but formatting that content for different people takes absolute hours of tedious, mind-numbing work. So NotebookLM just bypasses that bottleneck completely. It generates all those formats instantly. Think about uploading a dense 200-page research report. Within minutes, the AI spits out podcasts, interactive decks, and mind maps. It's essentially acting as your own personal production team.
And nothing shows this off better than the cinematic video overviews. It is absolutely wild. You just upload your research or PDFs, and Gemini doesn't just read it to you, it becomes a film director. It actually analyzes the text, picks out the visuals, sets the scene transitions, and figures out the whole story flow to make a fully animated documentary. The amount of time this is going to save creators and educators is just staggering.
Plus, look at the insane variety of visual styles they've packed in. You get 10 brand new infographic styles. Presenting to the board? Boom, professional style. Making a study guide? Go scientific. Trying to hook a younger crowd? Switch it to kawaii or anime. It totally wipes out that horrible process of manually redesigning everything for different crowds. You just flip a switch to perfectly match who you're talking to.
Moving right along to Section 2, the autonomous research agent.
Okay, so having a ton of documents at your fingertips is great, but let's be real. Manually sorting through dozens of files is an absolute nightmare. It gets so messy. So to fix this, NotebookLM brings in AutoSource smart folders. You dump your documents in, and the AI immediately spots the patterns and groups everything into smart categories. It'll even cross-reference one single document into multiple folders if it happens to cover a bunch of different topics. Think about that. You literally have a personal assistant organizing your digital life 24/7. And hey, you're still the boss. You can rename the folders or swap out the little emojis whenever you want. But the actual heavy lifting, that is happening in the background around the clock without you lifting a finger. Now, in the past, there was a pretty big catch. You were completely limited to what you manually uploaded. If you didn't give the AI a file, it just didn't know about it. But the solution here is huge. The new Deep Research Agent actively goes out and scours the web to find new information. So the big takeaway here is that you are no longer trapped in your own file bubble. I mean, just look at this workflow. You give the system a topic, right? Then the AI maps out a research plan, searches through hundreds of web sources, and builds a massive cited report for you. Instead of you spending your whole weekend Googling, the AI does it all. Then it drops the finished report and all those new web sources right back into your notebook. For market analysis or academic papers, this is an absolute game changer.
All right, Section 3, Instant Presentations and Smart Data. Look, we all know building slide decks is one of the biggest time sinks at work, but that friction is completely gone now because the AI just generates the whole presentation for you based on your notes. And get this, you can edit the deck just by chatting with it. You just type, hey, make slide 3 more professional, or add in some financial data, and it rebuilds the deck right in front of your eyes.
And how many clicks does it take to actually get that out of the app so you can use it in a real meeting? Literally one. One single click exports your polished, AI-generated deck as a fully editable PowerPoint file. We can also apply that exact same magic to crunching data. Extracting numbers from massive, messy financial reports is the worst. You're skimming hundreds of pages for like 3 numbers. So they've added smart data tables. The AI automatically hunts down the important metrics in your chaotic documents and structures them into perfectly clean, actionable comparison tables. And just like the presentations, you get a one-click export right into Google Sheets for instant analysis. This just completely bridges the gap between raw, messy research and actual actionable insights. If you deal with tons of information daily, this is a massive productivity boost.
Which brings us to Section 4, the Ultimate Knowledge OS.
For any system to actually be an operating system, it has to play nice with all your files. Well, NotebookLM has massively expanded what it supports. We're talking PDFs, Word docs, EPUB books, your Google Drive files, YouTube videos, web pages, you name it. No matter where your stuff lives, you can pull it right into your AI studio.
But there's always been this annoying conflict with research apps. You upload a file, and 2 days later, it's outdated because your team updated the original. So they added drive syncing. If a source file gets updated in your Google Drive, NotebookLM auto-updates its version too. Your knowledge base stays totally current, and you never have to do those annoying manual re-uploads again.
Plus, when you use a generic off-the-shelf chatbot, the big issue is it has no clue about your specific context. So NotebookLM fixes this with deep Gemini integration. Instead of just guessing based on random internet knowledge, Gemini treats your specific notebooks as its brain. It pulls directly from your own research to give you super personalized, highly accurate answers.
And the coolest part? You don't have to keep all this power hidden away. With public sharing, you can turn your personal workspace into a massive collaborative hub. You just share a link, and suddenly your team or your clients or even your followers can jump in. They can ask the notebook questions, read the summaries, and interact directly with all the research you've put together.
There's a quote here that really hits the nail on the head. The line between research, content creation, and productivity software is disappearing. That is exactly why NotebookLM is leading this total transformation of knowledge work. It's way beyond a note-taking app now. It's a full-blown AI operating system that researches, designs, and collaborates right alongside you.
So this all leads us to one massive question for you. Jump down to the comments right now and let me know, which of these wild 2026 NotebookLM features is going to completely change how you do your job? Are you hyped for the cinematic videos, the autonomous deep research, or maybe just those instant PowerPoint decks? I really want to hear what you guys think. Thanks for hanging out for this explainer. I hope it helped you wrap your head around this insane update. And we will see you next time as we keep breaking down the future of tech.